As product owner needs to possess the skill of being a effective communicator. He should be able to put forth his ideas and views to the Scrum team, and also he should be an effective listener as well. So communication includes both putting his points forward and then should be an empathetic listener as well. So product owner should possess the strong capability of being an effective communicator if he have to be a effective person as a product owner. So the next important skill trait is the collaborator. So he is although responsible for the success of product, but then in addition to success, he is a important collaborator in the whole process. So he cannot be authoritative. He cannot be delegating the authority to everyone or to the team, but then he needs to be part of those discussions. He needs to be part of those forums where the critical decisions are being taken across. So he needs to be equally collaborating on the ideas. He should be listening to the concerns which are raised by the agile team, by the Scrum team, so that all the issues or any concerns can be resolved amicably. So he has to be an effective collaborator as well. Additionally, he needs to bring different ideas and perspective onto the table. So he has to be acting as a differentiator as well. As a product owner, it's a responsibility with him. So there lies a greater responsibility with product owner that how he looks at the product ideas, product view, product vision in a different manner. So he is one of the person who acts as a differentiator and try to identify which user stories are unique and which will be adding greater value based on the product vision and roadmap. So he needs to act as a overall differentiator in the discussion for the product management. Also, the product owner has to be working as a problem solver. So he has to be wearing the hat of how he can solve the problems which are brought onto his table by the stakeholders, which includes the Scrum team, which includes the Scrum Master. So he should be able to help out in terms of resolving and at least provide the direction for solving some of those problems. So he should be an active problem solver. Additionally, a product owner should play a role of a teacher, facilitator, a kind of mentor. Wherever there are any kind of conflicts, wherever the team gets stuck at any point in time, he should be able to work out a way to ensure that responsibilities are adhered and taken care in a most amicable manner. Additionally, as a product owner, he is responsible to have a customer focus. So customer focus from the perspective of bringing all the user stories which are aligned to the customer and prior- prioritizing the user stories which have a greater value towards the customer. So customer focus is one of the prime role and responsibility which product owner plays when he is working along with the team. Also, he needs to be a quick decision maker. He needs to be ensuring if anything's come across onto the table for bringing any important decision, he should be able to uh, bring those issues to a conclusion. So he should be able to decide. He should be able to work out with the team to effectively resolve and agree onto the decisions so that any kind of procrastination can be avoided. Additionally, the product owner should be assertive in his overall thoughts. He needs to be putting forth his ideas effectively and the most positive manner. So it is a responsibility of product owner to be assertive in his thought process and how well he is able to connect with the team to ensure it is managed in the most effective manner. Additionally, a product owner has to have an open mindset. He has to be working very closely with all the parties, which includes the Scrum Master, which includes the developer. So he needs to have an open mind, and he need to have an appreciation of ideas. So he should be appreciative of thoughts. He should be appreciative of what perspective a user brings across, what perspective a team brings across, what perspective a Scrum Master brings across. So open-mindedness is another key skills and trait which a product owner should possess. The last but not the least can be a strategic thinker. So he should have a greater strategic alignment so that the product goal, the product roadmap, product vision can be aligned to the organization goal as well. So strategic thinker with a deeper focus on future and ensuring how the future holds true based on the changing business scenario. The focus should be on the strategic aspects of product building rather than just the operational aspect of it. These are the 10 skills and traits, starting from effective communicator to being a collaborator, a differentiator, a problem solver, mostly a teacher or facilitator, a customer focused individual, a person who is decisive in his approach, uh, a person who is assertive and having an open mindset, and he needs to be a strategic thinker as well. So these are the few aspects for the product owner to play the role of a effective product owner. So all these skills, there is nothing one which is more important. All these skills or traits are equally important when we refer to the product owner roles and responsibilities.